Water. So all living things need water. We need water for several activities. Our body contains 60 to 75% of water. So when we sweat, we can see water on our body. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. It is healthy to us. Now let us see why we need water. We need water to live. So do animals and plants. We need water for a lot of activities. Let us see what we need water for. Taking bath, watering plants, cleaning our home, cooking food, and also washing the clothes, and we have to drink the water. So to drink also water we need. Not only human beings, animals need water to drink and to clean themselves. Animals need water to drink and to clean themselves. Plants need water to live and grow too. We get water mainly from rain. The rainwater collects in rivers, lakes, streams and ponds. We make wells to use this water. We take out this water by using a hand pump and tube well. We store water in tanks on the roof in our house. Pipes bring this water to our taps at home, and we open a tap and water comes. Drink clean water. This water is not clean water. So before we drink this water, we must make sure that is clean, or else we can get sick. Do not waste water. Water is precious. Do not waste it. Keep the tap closed when you are not using it. Place a bucket under leaking pipes to collect the water. Use the water with which you wash vegetables to water the plants in the garden. Our body needs a lot of water. Water helps to digest food. It flushes out of our body. Therefore, we should drink at least 6 to 8 glass of water every day. Dear children, our body needs lot of water. See, we are eating the food, right? So that should be digest. So for digesting we need lot of water. In the image you can see water helps us to digest food. We should drink at least you drink at least a 6 to 8 glass of water every day. More than we can drink. So we should always drink boiled water or filtered water. We will fall sick if we drink dirty water. Now I am going to show two diseases, jaundice and typhoid are two common diseases caused by drinking dirty water. Dear children, this is one type of disease, that is jaundice. If we drink dirty water, we will get this. See, this is typhoid fever. If we drink dirty water, these diseases going to attack us. Okay. Next, drink 2 glasses of milk every day. 2 glasses of milk every day. See, we should drink the 2 glasses of milk every day, which makes us strong. See, milk makes our bones and teeth. Milk makes us bones and teeth strong. In milk we can see calcium. So it makes us our bones and teeth very strong. So we should drink the water daily, and if we drink dirty water we are getting diseases. So drink boiled water or filter water. Okay. So next is golden food habits. First is do not eat stale or uncovered food. Second, do not eat from roadside shops. Do not waste food and water. Eat meals at regular intervals. Do not overeat. Wash hands before and after meals. Do not eat in hurry. Chew your food properly. Moisten your mouth after eating. Do not eat too much of fats and sweets. These are the some golden food habits. We should not eat the uncovered food because it may mosquitoes sit there and it causes diseases to you. Next, do not eat roadside shops because the road dust are going to sit in that food, so it may causes diseases to you. Then do not waste food and water unnecessarily. Okay. Then eat meals at regular intervals. In the morning at proper time, in the afternoon at proper time, and in the night. Then while eating, don't overeat. You are only suffering while eating over. Then wash hands before and after the meals. You should wash your hands before and after the meals. Do not eat in hurry. See, you should not eat that food in hurry. You should chew that food properly and eat slowly. See, after you eating, you should moisten your mouth. Do not eat too much of fats and sweets. Okay, these are the some golden food habits. Now, this lesson is completed, dear children. I hope you are understood this topic. If you have any doubts, please contact me.